So, guess what? My Instagram followers decided to choose what color on my cut crease and what goes on my lid. Interesting, huh? Yes. I didn't invent this new idea, but I decided to put a little twist to it, and this is what I came up with. If you want to see how I created this look, you should keep on watching. And if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification, join the gang. But yeah, guys, keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've already primed my face, did my brows and all of that. So now I'm priming my eyes to place shadow on it, and I'm using the LA Pro concealer in Toffee because I'm going for that look where it looks like it's my regular eyelid color. So we're going in the BH Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil, and we're using that color as our transition color. Guys, if you're new to this channel, remember to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm using the M345 brush to blend out that transition. Then I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in sand, and I'm using this small brush, and I'm just using the edge of it to create that round edge, yeah. And to be honest, guys, when I did this poll on Instagram, I was a bit nervous when I tell you. And this was what win: the green color and pink lips. Guys, I can tell you, doing a cut crease, just you gotta take a little break and all of that. Ooh, I'm telling you. We're going in with this color now to pat on the cut crease. I'm sorry. to put on the cut crease, and where I'm just going in like a patting motion, and I'm swiping, just patting. My camera was a bit off today, not sure why, but I made it work. So we're going in with the Milani Stay Matte, and we're gonna outline it, the shape, because we're going in with another color. And the color that we're going to go in with is this lip gloss by ColourPop, and I can't remember the name, but it will be in the description, so remember to check that out. And I'm using a little small angle brush just to go in between those little lines. My liner is not the best or the neatest, but I'm working on it and practicing and stuff to be better. Guys, for you. So I use this shimmery color from the BH Cosmetic, it's a green, just to pat it, just to give it a little shimmer. Now these glitter are from Mermaid Scale, and I'm using the NYX primer just to set it, for it to stick on. I'm sorry, as a glue. So yeah, you see those are battle scars, guys. So we're finished with the eyes and all that jazz, and I'm all over the place, guys, rambling and all. But I'm using a Real Technique sponge and the Maybelline Superstay foundation in warm coconut, I think. And I have mixed feeling with this product. It's my second time using it, third time. It oxidizes and gets really dark, but so does every foundation. So I'm using the Real Technique sponge just to pat that out, just to give it an even look, because you really want to like take off the excess if there's excess, which I think there is excess because I did like 3 pumps and it's already like a full coverage. So we're going in with the Toffee LA Pro concealer, and I've been really liking this look, guys. It's like a neutral look under the eyes, not bright, but it still give it that coverage. Yes, I've been really loving this, and I'm so happy today when I went to CVS and picked this up. I was like, oh my god, I'm so happy I picked this up, because now my makeup is just looking way better. Like, you don't have to always highlight, like use a bright color. Guys, you can use something very new that, I mean, if you're going for that, but I'm just saying, You could use something that matches your skin tone that gives you that nice coverage under your eye, and then probably bake under your eyes to give you that highlight. You don't necessarily need to go with a highlighted color then bake, because then your eyes gonna look really highlighted. So I'm just setting the mouth areas because I have problems there, and then I'm going to set my overall face using the Laura Mercier in medium deep, the medium base, medium shade. Sorry, cannot talk today, guys. I'm trying to rush because I'm going to work. Like I should be getting ready in the next 25 minutes. So, after we brush all of that off, the base is looking real good. So we're gonna bronze, bring back some color into the face because that's what you want to do. Are we using the CoverGirl Queen in, I think it's Ebony? Yes. And I'm using the E21 brush, if I'm not mistaken, by Morphe. I'm just going around where I want shadow to come in just to give my face. Because, your girl been gaining a lot of weight. Yeah. So we're going to like cut there, so give me a more chisel, and then contour my nose a bit just to bring back my features basically. So we're going under the eyes and we're going to use this greenish color just to pop. It's the same thing we use on the lid, and I think this is a very fun makeup. It is. I really like it, to be honest. It's unique, just the cut crease only, and I did that purposely because I was doing this challenge where my Instagram followers choose it. So I'm gonna pop this color right there, and that was the It's My Ray Ray BH by BH Cosmetic, and I love this highlighter. Girl, when I tell you that after I finished this makeup, I was like, is this my makeup? Like, really? I could not believe that this was my makeup. It was so flawless in person. So flawless. Everything was blend. Even when I take pictures and I'm like, oh my god, no flashback. It just looks so flawless. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. So we're gonna set our face with the Morphe setting spray, and I love this. It's my favorite setting spray. And we're moving on to the lips. I use the ColourPop times Shayla lipstick in Quickie and just a brown lip liner. I don't have any pink lipstick because the challenge was pink, but this is the closest I could get, so I use it. I still think it has like a hint of pink in there, so that's why I use that. So guys, if you like this, remember to hit that subscribe button. This is just a little close-up, and thank you guys so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. Bye.